The Kotak Cashback Plus credit card is designed for everyday savings. It offers 5% cashback on essential monthly spends like online grocery, food delivery, and entertainment bookings, with a 500 monthly cap on this 5% cashback. Users also earn 3% cashback on fuel at any fuel station and 1.5% cashback on all other online and offline spends credited as reward points. 1 point equals 1, valid for 1 year. However, no cashback is given on rent, wallet loads, utilities, insurance, education, or government payments. The card includes a 1% fuel surcharge waiver on transactions from 500 4,000, capped at 3,500 annually. It comes with a 750 joining and annual fee, waived on annual spending of 2 lakh. Note: 3.75% monthly interest applies on unpaid bills, and there's a 3.5% forex markup on international use. Final verdict. Ideal for frequent online spenders, this card provides valuable cashback where it matters most. Just pay bills on time and avoid using it abroad for best results. But do your own research in a good way. Thank you.